Little Learner Lab.
Friendship's like a recipe, let's sing it out loud. With all the ingredients that make us proud, let's mix them together and watch it grow. With kindness and love, it's sure to glow. Kindness is the first step, it's easy to do. A smile, a hug, or just saying thank you. Sprinkle it daily, it'll warm every heart. Kindness is where friendship starts. Empathy's the feeling that helps us connect. Understanding each other shows true respect. Put yourself in their shoes, walk a little while. Empathy builds friendship with every mile. Listening is magic, it helps friends grow. When we really listen, it starts to show. Pay attention, hear what they say. Listening brings friends closer every mile. Sharing is caring, it's what friends do. Toys, ideas, and feelings too. When we give, we get so much back. Sharing keeps friendships right on track. Trust is the glue that holds us tight. When friends are honest, it feels so right. Be reliable and always be true. Trust is what makes friendships shine through. Acceptance is seeing we're not all the same. Different is beautiful, no need to change. Celebrate each other, differences and all. Acceptance helps friendships stand tall. Laughter is the sunshine that lights up the day. When we laugh together, worries go away. Funny moments, smiles, and jokes we share. Laughter makes friendships light as air. Forgiveness is the key when mistakes are made. We all slip up, but friendships don't fade. Say I'm sorry, and let it all mend. Forgiveness makes a friendship never end. Support is lifting your friend when they fall. Being there to help through it all. Cheering them on when times get tough. Support makes friendships strong enough. Loyalty is the promise to always stay near. Through every moment, joy or fear. A loyal friend is there through thick and thin. Loyalty is where true friendship begins. We've got the ingredients mixed just right. Friendship's a recipe shining bright. With kindness, trust, and laughter too. This friendship's forever strong and true.